Welcome to Facts and Figures YouTube channel, where you can learn about different and amazing facts that exists in this world. Here are the must-know facts about smoking. 1. About 8.6 million people in the US have at least one serious illness that's caused by smoking. 2. Smoking is the cause of 1 in 5 deaths in the US annually. 3. In 2012, 18.1% of Americans 18 and older were current smokers. 4. A single cigarette contains over 4,800 chemicals, 69 of which are known to cause cancer. 5. The average smoker in the U.S. spends $1,500 to $3,300 a year. 6. It's completely legal for minors to smoke cigarettes. 7. 15 billion cigarettes are smoked worldwide every day. 8. About 69% of smokers want to quit completely. 9. More than a third of the world's smokers are Chinese. 10. The world's largest producer of cigarettes is a company owned by the Chinese government. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more amazing facts.